SuperFakeFilms, we aim to entertain everybody. Welcome to a short episode of Keys and Parrots dedicated to the 13th Channelversary of SuperFakeFilms. Let's start things off this episode with a slomo liquid pour. That's some good stuff. I like the tiny droplets from the fizz popping. "13 years! The channel is a teenager. I was only 20 when I started the channel. Most of my content that I was creating back then was Flash animations. My computer couldn't render the Flash files into a video format without crashing, so I had to upload the SWF files to websites that actually accepted that format. YouTube had a 10-minute limit on videos back then. I made a couple of live-action videos that went over that limit and I had to chop them into pieces. The platform certainly has changed for the better. Also, some of my early content was machinima. And that just means using a pre-rendered engine like a game to animate something. A lot of the machinimations that I had music that got them muted. And then I didn't realize how to make a video private, so then I deleted them off the site, and the hard drives with the originals aren't working, so I've kind of lost all those older videos, unfortunately. But nowadays I'm doing higher quality stuff, so we're just gonna charge ahead on into the future. There is still a few machinima episodes up. The main one being a Fallout 3 series called Jimmy. And I want to make an animated Jimmy soon, so I'll go over that in an upcoming episode. Going back to those muted videos, I was just completely oblivious to copyright laws. But now I make my background music with Filmstro Pro. I'll leave a link in the description. Filmstro is a great royalty-free music solution because all the tracks can be dynamically manipulated. Like this. See how it changes as the sliders move around? Hey, what do you call a happy cowboy? A jolly rancher. Fun fact about the number 13. You may know that it is a prime number, but did you know that it's an emerp as well? What's an emerp, you ask? An emerp is a prime number both forwards and backwards. 13 and 31 are both prime numbers. And now for some Channelversary slow-mo. I kept this episode short because I just wanted to talk more about the Channelversary than anything else. I would like to say that if I mention a storyline or universe on this show, and you would like to know more about it, please let me know. Leave a comment below, and I'll make it a show. I'm thinking I'm going to call it Super Fake Lore. Here at SuperFakeFilms, we aim to entertain everybody. Our content may be funny, weird, cool, strange, or even nutty. I won't run out of stories. They come to me while dreaming. I might share some of them with you whenever I am streaming. Animations, short references, and the worst jokes that you've ever heard. SuperFakeFilms is on a roll, so please go round and spread the word. This song is hard to sing, and now there is but one final refrain. The point I must drive home here is that we aim to entertain. Oh, watch till the end, eh? Well, here's a look at why Greatest Animal Discoveries didn't continue.
Oh my goodness, do you see this right here? This is a pack of the most dangerous ant on earth. Have you ever seen the like of ants as this? One bloody bite from out, they are actually biting me.
SuperFakeFilms. We aim to entertain.